Why is Young Living so expensive? Welcome back to Path to Wellness with Miriam. I'm glad to have you join me for this video today. So a lot of people, when they see Young Living, they think it's really expensive. I mean, I know for one, I thought essential oils are really expensive. That's something I have to be rich to get into. Well, I realized after a while that I needed the benefits of the oils, and I couldn't wait until I was rolling in the dough. So I got my starter kit from Young Living last year in September, and with a bunch of little essential oil bottles, and I've been so excited. I'm really getting excited about the cleaning products and the Thieves line. In fact, part of me is really excited that I went with the diffuser and the essential oil kit, but I also kind of wish that I got the Thieves kit because it is so awesome. And I realized that some of the themes that I've not switched over to, like such as toothpaste, for example, I've not tried the Thieves toothpaste yet. It's on my order, but I do like the Kids Sense toothpaste. I've been using my kids' toothpaste, try to get the toxic toothpaste out of my system. Anyway, a lot of people will say that Young Living is super expensive. Like, you will go and online and you'll look at the bottles of like Thieves Cleaner and you'll be like, ugh! Or you will look at like the dish soap. I mean, I know, for example, I looked at the dish soap and I was like, I think it's around like $13. And I was like, $13? Like, that's kind of expensive. I'm like, I go to Costco and I buy like the big jug, like, I don't know, it's like, might be 1.5 gallons or something like that, of environmental friendly dish soap. And it lasts me for a whole year and it's like $10. Yeah. Well, first of all, I found out that is not very environmentally friendly because there are things in dish soaps that are just not good for you. So I've switched over to the Thieves dish soap from Young Living, and you get a little bottle, and yeah, it's about like $13, but I'm not even halfway through the bottle yet, and I've been using it for like a good month. Yeah, that is super exciting, especially because we don't run our dishwasher every day. We might run our dishwasher like 2 or 3 times a week at the most. Some weeks I just run it once, and so I tend to hand wash our dishes most of the time, and yeah, that is really good to see that the dish soap really lasts a long time. You're getting the therapeutic benefits of all the essential oils, plus no toxins, so that's great. The other thing that I've tried is like the pump hand soap. Well, the foaming hand soap, the Thieves foaming hand soap, I've tried that as well. And one thing that I noticed is it's really strong. Now, I tend to not give it a full pump. Well, someone told me that you can actually add water to it and it still works just as good because it's just so strong. So once you use up, or for me, like, I just waited until we used it up like a third of the way, and then I filled it with water, and then I'm down and filled it with water. So about like half and half. I've heard some people say that when they bought the refill, they put a third soap and then 2/3 water, and it still foams great and works great and gets their hands clean. So that's great. Anyway, let's talk about another product. So the Thieves Cleaner. That is super, well, I don't really want to say expensive. It's not expensive. It's really economic. It's an investment, yes. Thieves Cleaner is an investment because it costs quite a bit for the bottle. But then you get your bottle and you realize that it lasts a long time. First of all, the smaller bottle, which is I think let me go get it. I'll be right back. So here's the Thieves Cleaner. It's 14.4 ounces. But I've had this since like January, and it's like, I don't know if you can see that in the video, but it's like here. It's concentrated. So I've only used a little bit because I mean they don't have it like fill up to the top so it spills, you know. So I've used very little of it. So you put 1 capful in a spray bottle to make an all-purpose cleaning spray. And that's what I've done with this glass spray bottle. 1 capful, that's it. And this is a 16-ounce bottle. And it gets everything really clean. It cuts through grease, everything. You can also take a capful of the Thieves Cleaner and you can mix it with baking soda to make a paste and clean your oven or your, pots and pans with, all that gunk on them and stuck on burnt stuff. And it'll get it clean. I mean, yes, you have to put a little elbow into it too, but if you let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, it will really help loosen up that stuff. Baking soda and Thieves together is a great thing. Great way for a non-toxic cleaner, especially for like ovens and stovetops and stuff. Those places where you tend to use a really toxic cleaner that, you have to wear gloves and a mask to clean with. And with Thieves, you don't have to. Like, you can use your bare hands because they have therapeutic grade oils in here. Yeah, this stuff is good for your health instead of bad for your health. So, economically speaking, like I've heard people say that it's less than 50 cents for each spray bottle of Thieves. So if you use your Thieves cleaner, 1 capful to a bottle of water, it's like less than 50 cents for your spray bottle. Where can you buy cleaner that cheap? Yeah, that is really great. When I heard how cheap it was to use these products, that made me want them more. Like, if I can be really cheap, if I can be like cheaper than the dollar store, that would be great. So I'm going to be using more products. I have the laundry soap, laundry detergent soap on order, and then I will be talking to you about that after I use that. I've heard that you only have to use really small amounts, that the jug of laundry detergent lasts for quite a while. I've also heard the same thing with the dishwasher detergent. So I'm really excited to start using those products and letting you know how they are. But the bottom line and the purpose for this video is that Young Living products do not break the bank. They are not that expensive. They're actually cheaper. And the great thing also is that they save space. Yes, if you are a minimalist, you would love the Thieves line because all I have to do is buy this Thieves cleaner and get maybe 1 or 2 spray bottles if I want different concentrations or want to keep one in each room of the house. But I can clean my bathroom with this, I can clean my kitchen, I can clean my floors, I can clean my windows with it. I watched someone do a cleaning video recently, and by the way, comment below if you would like to see a cleaning video from me showing how to use some of the Thieves products. But I watched someone do a cleaning video recently, and they had like 6 different products, I think, that I counted. Like they used a stovetop cleaner and an all-purpose cleaner and a glass cleaner and a floor cleaner and disinfectant wipe. That was the other one. And so yeah, so Thieves does have a really range. Like they have a little spray bottle of Thieves, and they have wipes, and they have the Thieves cleaner, of course, and they have Thieves, I'm trying to think, just cleaning things, the laundry soap, detergent, and stuff. But I've also heard of people using this one in their dishwasher. I've also heard people using this one just straight up, like 1 capful in their washer when they run out of the regular laundry soap. So yeah, I might be trying that to see how that is, because that sounds pretty cool. Like, just get 1 thing. This also comes in a bigger size, I think like a 32-ounce jug of this. which per ounce ends up being cheaper, which is great for us wanting to save money. So essential oils are an investment. Thieves cleaning products are an investment, but in the long run, you're going to save money. In the long run, you're doing yourself a favor and your family a favor by using products that are better for your health. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Comment below. Let me know, please. I really would enjoy more comments and seeing how people are liking this video. I mean, I would even accept negative comments. Yes. Okay, so yeah, I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.